Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Eraser tool on Canva, a game changer for anyone looking to remove unwanted elements from images in seconds. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tool can save you tons of time and make your projects look super professional. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva Pro account, because the Magic Eraser is a premium feature. Open your project and select the image you want to edit. You'll know it's ready when it's highlighted in your workspace. Next, click the Edit button above your image. This opens up a suite of tools to adjust and enhance your image. Here's where the magic begins. Literally, find the Magic Eraser tool in the editing options. Once selected, your cursor changes, signaling that you're ready to start removing elements. Now, glide the tool over the areas you want to erase, like a distracting background or a watermark. Take your time here. Precision is key. As you highlight the area, you'll see it gradually disappear. When you're satisfied, click Erase and watch the unwanted elements vanish instantly. Take a moment to review your work. If something doesn't look perfect, don't worry. You can undo or redo until your image is flawless. And just like that, you have a clean, polished image ready for any project. The Magic Eraser tool is an incredible way to keep your designs professional and visually appealing, saving you time and effort in the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to level up your Canva skills.